Welcome to our ice maker. Let's take a look at its charm together. Our products are shipped in 2 packages. First, check the outer packaging for any damage. Open the package and inspect the product. If there are any issues, don't panic or return it. Contact our customer service team first. They're ready to help. There's a white protective film on the outside. Feel free to peel it off if you don't like it. Please remove all accessories from the bottom ice bin and check if you have received them. The manual and the troubleshooting table are on the upper ice maker, and the other accessories are in the bottom ice bin. If you find any missing accessories or need any parts later, please feel free to reach out to us. Our customer service team is here to help and will respond promptly. First, rotate and install the legs. Align the upper ice maker with the bottom ice bin and stack them together. Connect the water supply pipe to the water quick connector, use the blue clamp to secure, then rotate the connector to the faucet. Connect the other end of the supply pipe to the water inlet, pushing it in completely and securing it with the blue hose clamp. Connect the water drain pipe to the product's drain outlet, ensuring the other end leads to your home's drainage system. Attention! Drain height lower than the machine's outlet for smooth sailing. Place your ice maker on a level surface and let it stand upright for 24 hours before diving in. This helps it perform at its best. Make sure the device is squeaky clean for optimal performance before its first use. Plug in your ice maker and ensure the water supply is on. Let the magic begin. After powering on, the machine will automatically enter a 90-minute self-cleaning mode. Your ice machine will appreciate your attention and care. If you wish to make ice immediately, you can press the on or off button to skip the self-cleaning mode. After the cycle, gently wipe the interior with warm water. Congratulations, your ice-making adventure begins now. Maintain a 10-inch clearance around the machine. Ideal ambient temperature is 50 to 90 degrees, and water temperature should be between 41 and 77 degrees. Press the on or off button to start the refreshing ice-making moment. Ice cubes gradually increase until the bin is full. When full, the indicator will appear on the panel. Open the lid and swiftly remove the ice cubes to keep the ice-making magic going. Close the lid and let the ice-making continue. More ice, more fun. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.